Lance here with Brando Consulting, Method CRM expert since 2010. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps of creating a customer in Method New, particularly one of our sandbox accounts that has a little bit of customization on the screen. So it won't look exactly like your screen, but you'll get the idea. So we'll start out on the dashboard screen. You'll see the menu options over here. You can also collapse it and see the menu options over here. This dashboard screen can be moved around, so your tiles might be in different locations. If you click on this little thing and click here, then the tiles become mobile and we can actually click and drag and move tiles around. So that's why yours might look a little bit different. So to change or save the tiles, then okay, there we go. So let's get to creating a new customer in Method. We'll go to Contacts to do that, and we can either go to Contacts and then click a new button within that screen, or just click New right here and it'll bring us directly to the contact screen. We've got some options, different contacts that we can create. This video, we're going to create a customer, not add a contact to a customer, but create a customer. So a customer, typically in my world, is a company. In your world, it might be something different. It could be an individual, right? A contact would be an individual. A customer would be a company. But if you're selling to individuals, the customer and the contact may be the same thing, right? In this case, we're going to say customer, and we'll put in a name here. We'll say first and last, because I'm not feeling very creative in this video, and that's all I'm coming up with right now. And email, we'll say first@company.com. Phone number, we'll throw something in there. Customer type, that's a custom field. Company name, here we go. So we can just type in company name, or if I'm feeling more creative, I can think of something. Like for lunch, I had Jimmy John's. Let's just say Jimmy John's. And let's say first name is Sarah Anderson. All right, yeah, got a little creative. And Sarah Anderson's name at Jimmy John's, or her mobile number is that. Terms, not a required field, but we could throw something in there. Website, not a required field, we could throw something in there. Assigned to me by default because I'm logged in. Now if we scroll down here, we can add address info and social media information. So let's do that. I'll click on this link to add address info. So that just expands the screen a little bit more. As you see here, if I click on it again, it will collapse it. Click on it again, it'll expand. Collapse, expand, collapse, expand, yay. Okay. So I'm just going to make something up here for the billing address. And say it's right here in my hometown, grand country of the US of A. And look at this, copy billing to shipping. Oh, we love little automation tools like that. So the billing and the shipping address will be the same. And then social media information. This is becoming more and more a thing these days, isn't it? So we could go to LinkedIn and look up somebody's contact information and go there and copy their LinkedIn contact, right? And then paste that LinkedIn contact. Do the same thing with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you'd like. I personally like LinkedIn contacts. I I think that really helps me put a face to the name and get to know people. I remember a face a lot better than I know a name, so I do that a lot. It's not stalking. All right. So true to my word, this was just going to be a simple steps video. So the final step to create a new customer, we'll click save. And all right, it's preventing us from creating duplicates. Could you believe I actually have that name already in here? So let's change that to something else. And let's not create a duplicate. Now I made the common mistake that I always encourage people not to make, and that is I did not read the error message. The error message was not applying to the contact name. We can have duplicate contact names all day long. That's totally fine. Where we cannot have duplicate names is where they tie in with QuickBooks. So apparently in QuickBooks, I already have a Jimmy John's. So we're going to have to get a little more creative and put something else in here. I don't think I have a Domino's pizza in my QuickBooks file. And there we go. That should allow us to save it. And we just saved it. The contact is Sarah Johnson. Just some bogus made up name. No one in particular, I promise. And Domino's Pizza as the company name. Your method account probably, well, it definitely will not have this button. This is a custom button in our world. When we create a new customer here at Brando Consulting, we simply customize an engagement letter with merged fields within it. If you need this done in your method CRM, let us know. It's pretty simple. We can help you with that. There you go. There's the simple steps to creating a new customer in Method CRM. Now, if we go to contacts, and we have a little bit of customization here that you may not have, well, you probably don't have. And I can go to the search field here and search out the new customer that we just created. So thanks for watching this simple steps video on how to create a customer in Method CRM. Comment below if you want to make a request or have any questions, like if you felt this was helpful, and definitely subscribe to see more videos like this one.